Hey guys, it's officially day 4?
It's definitely day 3.
I think it's day 4 of Vlogukkah. Anyways, today we'll be making pizza, which is very exciting. Also, don't mind my hair. I didn't do it today, and for some reason there's like a middle part situation happening. But today we'll be making pizza, and I'm just gonna take you along on how bad I am at making pizza. So let's go. Sasha, say hi. Okay, sounds good. My sister's neighbors are literally on the trampoline. I don't know why. And we're gonna watch a football game. I'm really not into football at all, but we're just gonna go along with it for the culture because that's what we do here in Indiana. Why do I look like that? I wanna make my pizza like special. Like, I don't wanna just be boring like everybody else. Oh my God, our neighbors had snowmen and they fell over. Yeah, I don't wanna be boring, so I have to think of a good creation. I'm thinking of like a topping I can put on. That looks so good. They're really enjoying the game. Not enjoying the game. He's a bit upset. He's a little mad at the score. How do you feel that Ohio State's losing?
Who said they're losing?
I did.
Huh?
How do you feel?
Terrible.
Good. Treating him like a dog. Come here, Papa. Come here. Come here. He's running.
Huh?
You're running. Don't hurt me. You're gonna fall.
Why can't I hurt you? I enjoy hurting you.
Good. He's a runner, he's a track star.
He's gonna trip on the carpet.
Okay, so right now I'm washing my hands because today we are making pizza and I'm gonna be doing something unique, if you will. I'm putting hot Cheetos on it. Like that, or
Alright, you just gotta pick the spoon.
I'm like, do better.
Nice and loud.
You haven't even been
That looks really good. You can finish it off for me because I suck.
What is that?
Cheese sauce. And then,
That was a really good flip. Huh?
Do you have any vegetables? Onion?
No, definitely not. No vegetables.
No vegetables.
Zero vegetables. Okay, now we're crushing up the hot Cheetos. It's my favorite. Oh, really aggressive. My fingers are about to be disgusting.
You can have Cheeto pizza.
I hope this is good. There's like no way that's gonna be good. Oh my God, I'm a genius. This looks great. Okay, I feel like that's enough.
I think you should salt it off the elbow.
Oh, let's do that. Good, good.
Alright, perfect.
Finish. I think this is good. Lick it off your hand. I'm not licking it.
Go like this.
Kind of set it in there, kind of right in this area here.
Okay.
And you're kind of gonna go forward and then kind of pull it straight back really fast.
Like, oh
Gotta
God,
shake it,
I'm
just gotta
scared.
shake it off of there.
Oh shit. You got it, you got it. I don't want to mess up. I'm really struggling. Pizza's done and now we're waiting for it to cook and I'll see you guys when it's done. Here we go. I have hot Cheeto dust like in the cracks of my fingers and it's burning. I'm gonna kill myself. It's almost done cooking and then I'm about to try it. It better be amazing. Are you excited to try my pizza?
What?
Are you excited to try my pizza?
Tired of trying your pizza?
What?
Tired of trying your pizza?
Are you excited to try my pizza?
No.
Okay, good. Wait, that's really cool. That looks so good. Okay, wait, I wanna try. I'm so scared right now.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
I just won. This is the best thing I've ever tasted. 10 out of 10, I win. So I just had my pizza and it was perfect. But now I'll have my brother make a secret, like, what is the word? Oh, a surprise pizza. He's gonna make me a surprise pizza. I'm not gonna know what it is, and I'm gonna try it. So hopefully he doesn't screw me over, but I'm gonna pass the camera off to him. Goodbye.
Alright, what are you gonna put on it?
Okay, we're gonna start with Dawson cheese, it's normal. We need some cereal,
Some Cocoa Puffs?
just a handful.
Asparagus?
Okay, we can put
They're not
asparagus.
really overpowering.
That's fine. Yeah, that's good.
That's so weird. The asparagus makes it even weirder.
Yeah, that's good.
Like the pretzels and all that stuff. Nothing normal about that pizza.
That's crazy. Okay, let me get him.
Okay, I'm ready to try this flavor. This is rude. This is mean. What is in this?
I don't remember.
You're using the bathroom at the gas station.
Okay, ew, it smells so bad. Wait, everything's gonna fall off. Alright, here we go.
You eat a whole piece.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Yes, you
One
do.
bite.
You're not wasting it.
But
What?
I'm just,
Yeah.
oh my god.
Yeah.
A full slicer did not.
unfollow him. He's starving kids.
Stick the Oreo in your mouth right now.
Stick the Oreo in your mouth. Stick it.
Oh shit, quick, pick that up in a jalapeno.
No, he didn't.
Wait, where is it?
You want a shot of bourbon to wash it down?
No.
Oh, it's under your chair, Mom. Shady, can you grab that?
It's burning, it's burning. That was so bad. The pineapple mixed with the jalapeno is the worst thing I've ever tasted. There was something that was not right in that.
Yeah, you
like,
have
that
to
was
swallow.
not fine.
Take
Like,
two.
what did we do this
We
for?
didn't eat nothing.
Try this.
I would rather have a bug than this.
No, you would.
Ew, what are the sprinkles? Is there icing on this? I'm lightheaded for some reason. Like I'm actually not feeling good. Why am I doing this again?
You want some
I'm
milk?
sorry, but I can't look at asparagus as I go in for something.
Eat
Go.
it. Put it down your throat.
Come on. What is that? You don't know how to eat?
Keep on. No, swallow it. Swallow it.
There's one bite.
Swallow it.
Swallow.
Do it. I can't.
Yes, you
I
can.
will throw
Oreo.
out.
So you
No, you're not going up again. There's no way.
get away
Lock
from
it
my
in.
curtain.
It's asparagus with chocolate around it.
Somebody give a piece to Papa and see if he notices.
Did you see me after the first bite? After the bite, I just took my throat came up.
Are you trying to get sympathy from me?
Yes, bitch.
Sympathy.
Ew, that was so bad. Cheez-Its? You put Cheez-Its? Burnt Cheez-It. I'm going to give this to Papa. Here we go. I'm scared. Can someone get Mama away? Papa, you want to try my pizza?
What are you doing?
I want him to try my pizza that I made. It's good.
What is it?
Huh? It's just a regular pizza. Cheese pizza. I know.
What's inside?
Be careful
If you
with
don't
it.
like it, don't eat it. Don't make him sick.
I'm not. You gotta cut it?
Fold it.
No, he doesn't have to. Just take it.
Just take a bite of it. Stop being a pussy.
What did you say?
Stop being a pussy. Eat the pizza.
Well,
Go.
he has to eat it slowly.
No, he can take a bite. Why are you?
He did. I thought
He's
he
taking all my toppings off. Stop eating it like that. That pizza is not a plate. Shove it in your mouth. Everything. Take that and put it in your mouth. You're done.
What was your first bite taste like? Shit.
Ooh. How do the sprinkles taste?
There's no sprinkles.
No sprinkles? Okay.
How come you give me something without sprinkles?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll put more sprinkles on. Just keep eating it.
No. Probably tastes good.
How was it? It's terrible? Good. You're done. She likes it. I took out all the jalapenos. She really likes it for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, what was it? Like Cheez-Its, sprinkles, asparagus, an Oreo, pineapple. What else?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. That is disgusting. But I ate it and I gagged. You're done. You're in the trash. You are done. How was it?
Wonderful.
Wow, that was wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good to know. Do you want me to take your plate for you? Thank you. You need to wipe your hands? Okay, let me get a napkin.
It's just hurts after, like, in the airport.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and be ready for day 4 of Vlogukkah.
Tony, they want to know how you are.
Wake up.
He could be in it.
No, Sage, move.
Anyways, Papa's leaving tomorrow, so I'm gonna cry. This is the last content you'll have with Papa, so let me just literally kill myself. Goodbye.